In this video, let me show you how to fix a black screen on your iPhone 17e. In case no matter what you do on your iPhone, the screen doesn't turn on the way you just saw, it just stays black no matter what you press. What should you do? Well, I have a few tips. The first one and the easiest is definitely to do what I'll show you next. So you need to press a few buttons quickly. Volume up, volume down, and then keep press this power button during around 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears in the middle over here. So let's do it together. Volume up, volume down, and I'm keeping press this power button. I will stay like this no matter what appears on the display, just keep it pressed. After 15 seconds or around 15 seconds, you should see the Apple logo appearing. Here we go, like this on the display. And then you can release the power button and the iPhone will boot up the usual way. And yeah, your black screen will be gone. You'll be able to log in and use your phone. Most of the time, if you have a black screen, it's simply because the screen is frozen, being black, the iPhone is turned on, and this is simply a restart. Nothing will be deleted. Now, the second thing I recommend, if nothing is happening, you can try this a few times just to make sure, and you can even keep press this power button, press at least 30 seconds if 15 seconds doesn't work. If this doesn't do anything, I suggest you charge your iPhone using a different cable than the one you're usually using, a different charger connected to a different wall outlet. Maybe the issue is that the battery of your iPhone is completely dead, and this is because the charger is not charging the iPhone. So again, maybe you can borrow the charger of one of your friend, your coworker that you know is working on their phone. Plug your iPhone to that charger and charge overnight. Leave your iPhone like this a few hours charging. If the battery is completely dead, it will take a bit of time to be able to use your iPhone. So after charging overnight with a new charger, new cable, new outlet, do the same thing I showed you in tip number 1. Keep the charger connected and do volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. Once it appears and it's booting up, you can remove the charging cable, and yeah, usually after that everything will work. If you have any other tips on how to fix a black screen, please let me know in the comment section down below. If not, leave a like, subscribe, comment if one of these worked, and I'll see you in the next video.